Be ready? Start. Dear sirs, we are one of the leading companies specializing in the manufacture of tires. We enclose a pamphlet which will give you an idea of the products manufactured by us. In recent years, out business in this area has grown substantially, and we would like to expand it, especially in the northern part of the country. Though the goods manufactured by us are quite popular in the country as a whole, and there is a fairly good demand for them, we intend to undertake an advertising campaign to increase our sales further. The advertising campaign is proposed to cover the entire country, but more specifically the northern part. The period of the campaign will be of 3 months. Our board of directors has also sanctioned a substantial amount for this purpose. Your firm has been recommended to us as being the leading expert in the field of advertising, and hence we are approaching you with a request to work out a scheme in this regard. We are mentioning below what are our requirements in general. We would like our advertisement to appear in all prominent newspapers. The layout of the matter should be eye-catching. We would like to leave the wording of the advertisement to you. We all provide you with all the required material and information. Since the campaign is to run for a period of 3 months, we would like to have at least 6 different layouts of the advertisement to be prepared. We may also consider making short films for exhibition in leading theaters. We also intend to send out circulars and pamphlets to our prospective customers, and it would help if the advertisement appears in the newspapers at the same time. We therefore request you to kindly draft a scheme for submission to our board of directors at their next meeting. We trust the matter will receive your immediate attention. Thanking you, yours faithfully.